back on his back.
What y'all doing?
You want to hold it?
Hell no, I don't want to hold this shit. You do. Pick them up. You don't pick them up again? I feel bad though, like if they in the middle of something, you like.
Where that other one at? I saw it swimming.
Where the other one at?
Fucking swimming somewhere around here.
Your shadow's in the way. I can't see. They're not moving. There's nothing interesting right now. Do something. See the other dude? You don't pick him up? Pick him up. Is that his tail?
Yeah, that's what I grabbed him by. He got that one.
Is she clinging to him?
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
They what are they doing?
Probably mating.
Maybe we should leave him there.
She got a hold of her. There you go.
Said, don't take my man. Is that his eyes? What is that?
What you doing, little fucker?
If I fall in this water, son.
Take your clothes off. I love nature.
Yeah.
There you go.
Where's he at?
Over there.
I don't think I could get him on video. Let's see. I can see him moving around. Pick him up.
I'll get my shit.
Oh. You gonna take him out the water? Wow. Aww.
That shit he got. A lot of grass up.
Is he eating it?
No, I doubt it.
It's just on him? Like, what if it took him, like, forever to, like, get all that shit? You just took it. All right, let him go. I feel bad for him. It's like, no, leave me alone. Aww. Now he's running away.
It's not hurting him.
Yeah, but he don't want you touching him.
I don't know.
Cool.